Hi there, Mark from AlphaSense Education, and I'm joined today by
Casey from the product marketing team. And we're excited to be here to talk a little bit about some of the biggest releases we had this July.
We released a lot.
A lot.
We've heard from you all that it can feel overwhelming at times. We want to just come, sit down, show you some of the new capabilities so that you can begin leveraging them.
Let's start with some tools that help you create deliverables. Because we know that the research that you come to AlphaSense to do doesn't stop with the data point, the insight, or the generative search answer. It feeds into your strategy decks, your board materials, your pitch books, your valuation models. That's why we're really excited that you can now use generative search to create slides. Whether it's a single slide company overview or a 40-page deck, all you have to do is ask. You can upload your company template and save it to a library, so your slides are on brand from the start every time. Even bigger news, AlphaSense now lives in PowerPoint and Excel. You can work directly in your existing decks and models to make targeted edits, spin up new slides, extend your models using AlphaSense data, and pressure test your assumptions against the entire market, all with AlphaSense Writing Sidecar, and without having to leave those apps.
Next up, we've always been able to integrate into external sources, but this month we really accelerated with more and more connectors being added. Connectors are effectively how you plug into the AlphaSense library beyond our own content, where you can pull in information from Slack, Gong, Salesforce, email, you name it, where all of that vital research always lives, but you need it in one single spot. Now, this one's smaller, but really important. We've redesigned the document header for a fresh, clean look wherever you are in the platform. The actions that you take most frequently, downloading, sharing, asking a question, right there at the top. No more buried in a menu. And it's smart enough to know the content that you're looking at and recommend various actions depending on that content. So if you're looking at an analyst report, it'll recommend Table Clipper. Or if you're looking at an earnings transcript, maybe you want to dive into sentiment. It's a small change, but really impactful, and we're so excited to bring it to our users.
To round us out, generative search now works across the platform. Whether you're using document search or looking at a company profile, you can now ask questions about what you're seeing without having to hop over to generative search. You can also do this on your dashboard. This works at a few levels, across your entire dashboard, on a widget, or across selected documents.
Actually, Casey, I think there's one other thing we need to talk about.
You're right. I think everyone wants to hear about SuperAnalyst.
I think so.
So SuperAnalyst, which is currently in beta, is our always-on AI agent that automates high-stakes workflows end-to-end. So that's everything from monitoring to synthesis to decision-ready deliverables, all grounded in AlphaSense's premium content and your firm's context. Now, my favorite part about SuperAnalyst is that it truly acts autonomously. It can act on your behalf without needing step-by-step direction. I'm curious, Mark, what's your favorite part about SuperAnalyst?
It's the customization. Being able to create your own skills with bespoke deliverables and having SuperAnalyst understand how you work best. So many more updates to come, so stay tuned, folks.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.